Alright, in this video I want to try to make some teeth for my skid steer bucket. I was trying to dig around a little bit here in the bank and I thought, you know, this thing really needs some teeth. I just recently got this used machine and I feel like I just had to put so much money into just getting the machine, and it needs a little bit of work, and so I could just go and buy a bucket with teeth on it, but I just really need the money for some other things right now. So what I'm going to try to do is, the place where I work, they let me buy some scrap pieces of 4140 bar, and so I cut them into small pieces. I think I'm going to try to put about 8 on here, and I'm going to try to form them into the shape of teeth and weld them on this bucket just to get me by. But anyway, let's give it a try and just see how it turns out. Okay, for sake of time, I'm not going to film myself marking every one of these out, but I do want to kind of show you what I'm doing. Just find me a center mark here, and I don't know, I'm going to come back probably about 3 inches or so, and I'm going to angle these this way, and then I'm also going to taper it down this way. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Actually, I put a little bit too sharp of a point on that. Just remark that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to cut this out. I'm just going to try one for right now, and hopefully I won't mess it up too bad. Anyway, just try to cut this, see how it turns out, and then I'm going to form it to where it somewhat fits the shape of the front of that cutting edge, and we'll just see how it turns out.